Students, as we know, our first chapter is going on, that is large number, and our topic is going on, that is round off number. So we have discussed two parts: part 1, that is round off to the nearest 10, and part 2, that is round off to the nearest 100. Now our next topic, or our we can say our third part, is rounding off to the nearest 1000. So children, before going to the third part, we will once again see what was part 1 and part 2, and rounding off to the nearest 1000. So in first part we will learn how to rounding off to the nearest 10. So before rounding off the number, what we should know? We should know what is rounding off. So children, here you can see rounding means making a number simpler but keeping its value close to what it was. Means by rounding off we can make the number simpler and closer to the value what it was having. So the result will be, what will be the result of rounding off? The result of rounding off will be less accurate. It will be not accurate but easier to use. Okay. Now first we are doing nearest to the 10, then rounding off to the nearest 10. Example is 73 and 76. So children, you can see here 73 rounded to the nearest 10 is 70, because 73 is closer to 70 than to 80. But 76 goes up to 80 because 76 is closer to 80. Yes. Now once again, what is 73? It is closer to 70 and closer to 70 than 80, but 76 is closer to 80. So the answer of 73 will be 70 and 76 will be 80. You can see here 73 is closer to 70, so the answer of 73 is 70, and 76 is closer to 80, so the answer of 76 will be 80. Now children, there are many other ways to round numbers, but some are the most common ways which I am going to tell you. You can see here how to round numbers. First is decide which is the last digit to keep. Second is leave it same if the next digit is less than 5. So this is called rounding down. If the number will be less than 5, so we will rounding down that number, and then but increase it by 1 if the next digit is 5 or more than that. So here what we will do, this is called rounding up. Less than 5 rounding down, and more than 5 or 5 rounding up. Now here you can see one example, round 74 to the nearest 10. So before doing this example, I want to tell you something, that we will always see the digit next to the place value of tens. So here you can see two digits are given, it is ones, 4 is ones, and it is tens, 7 is tens. So what we will see in both the number? In both the number we will see the digit next to the tens, means next to the 7. After 7 what is written, that we will see, and that is the place 1. So after 7 it is written 4 here. So first we will see that how we can solve it. So children, the number is 74, place value of 7 is tens, and next to the tens, that is 7, is 4. What is after 7? It is 4. 4 is given at the ones place. The next digit is 4, which is less than 5. What is next digit is 4, and 4 is less than 5. And here what we have seen, that we will do rounding down when will be the number less than 5. So here 4 is less than 5, you can see 4 is less than 5. So what we will do? We will rounding down the number. Now, so 74 got rounded down to 70. 74 is closer to 70, so the answer of 74 will be 70. Now children, we will see another way to round number. For this, we have to know that what are strong numbers and what are weak numbers. So children, this is like a game. You will learn it that how we round off the number nearest to the 10. So first you can see here I have written strong numbers. What are the strong numbers? They are 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And what are weak numbers? They are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Children, you can once again, strong numbers are 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and weak numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will see what we will do with these strong numbers and weak numbers. So first point, you can see these strong numbers. These strong numbers have the power to push the digit of tens place up to the next number. They have lots of power. These numbers are most powerful. How? We will see later. Second point, you can see weak numbers. These weak numbers are means that the place value of tens. Sorry children, I have written here 2 times the. These weak numbers means that the place value place of tens does not change. Means we can change the place value of 10 if we will have the ones place with 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and the place of tens will not be changed when we will have these weak numbers, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now see here some examples I have written, and this I will solve it in front of you. Round off nearest to 10. By this strong numbers and weak numbers, we know that we are rounding off the number nearest to the 10. So we will look at the tens place here. What is given? First example is 76. So what we will see here, we will see the tens place. It is 7. Tens place is 7. And what is the ones place? Ones place is 6. Now children, now we will go one digit over to 7. What is? Next is 6, and 6 is the ones place. So what we will do, we will decide first that 6 is the weak number or strong number. So what is the sixth number? We have seen here that 6 is the strong number. So now come again to the example. 6 is the strong number. So what is 6 is going to do with 7? 6 will give the power of its to 7, and 7 will become 8. What 7 will become? It will become 8. What we have written here, 8. 6 will push up 7 to 8 because 6 is powerful number, and it will push up 7 to 8. So children, what 6 will become? 6 will become always 0. Not always, it will become 0. Why? Now we will see here, always the ones place will become 0. Either we will do either we will push up the number or push down the number. So ones place value will be 0 only, and according to the strong or weak number we will decide the place of 10. Either it will be move up or either it will be move down. So 76 is closer to 80, so the answer of 76 will be 80. Now next example, 52 is given. So 2 is what? What we will see here? We will see first tens. Tens is 5, and after tens ones place is 2, and 2 is the what we will 2 is what? It is weak number. So what we will do, 2 will not change the value of 5. It will be going to stay 5 only. So 5 will be 5, and ones place value will always become 0. So 52 is closer to 50, and the answer of 52 will be 50. Now once again 84 is given. So again we will see the tens place it is given 8, and the ones place it is given 4. 4 is again the weak number. What it will do? It will not change the value of 8. It will remain same. 8 will be 8 only, and 4 will become 0. So 84 is closer to 80. So answer will be 80. Now example 4, you can see here 473 is given. So what we will see, we are not doing the 100, so we will leave 100 place. We will see only tens and ones. So what is tens? It is 7, and what is ones? It is 3. 3 is weak number, so 7 will be remain 7 only. 3 will become 0, and 4 will stay 4. So what will be the answer? Answer will be 400. Part 2, rounding off to the nearest 100. Now children, today we will learn about rounding off to the nearest 100. Still our strong number is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and weak number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. What we have learned yesterday, strong number and weak number, that is same here also. Strong number is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and weak number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will see here 2 points. So here rounding off to the nearest 100, these strong numbers will push the digit hundreds place up. And second point is, these weak numbers will not change the place of 100. This is same to the 10, but what we have done yesterday, that we were doing, we were seeing the place of 10 and ones. Here at the nearest 100, what we will see? We will see the place of hundreds and tens. So example we will see. Now remember, we are doing rounding off to the nearest 100, so we will underline the digit 4. Now what we will do? We will underline the digit 4, then we will go to one column to the right. Now 4 is underlined, and one column to the right is 3. So this 3 is having tens place, and this 4 is having 100 place. So now what we will do? Now we will decide that the number is either weak or strong. So what is 3? You can tell me. 3 is weak number. So it is not powerful, and it will not change the value of 4. It will not push up 4 to 5. Then the 4 will remain same here. So what we will write? 4 as it is. We will write here 4, and 3 and 6. What we will do with 3 and 6? it will change to 0. Why this both number will change to 0? Because this number, in this number we are doing counting to the nearest 100, so we will change 3 and 6 to 0 0. So 436 rounding off to the nearest 100 will become 400. Now children, in next example you can see 578 is given. So again we will do the same. We will see the first 100 value, that is 5, and then tens value, that is 7. So children, 7 is the strong number, so it will push up 5 to 6. Now 5 will become 6 here, and 7 and 8 will change to 0 0. So the answer of 578 rounding off to the nearest 100 will become 600. Clear? Now third example, that is 925. Again we will see the place of 100 here, that is 9, and place of tens, that is 2. So 2 is weak number and it will not push 9. Then 9 will become what? It will become 9 only. It will remain 9, and 2 and 5 will change to 0. So the answer of 925 will be 900. Clear students? Now your homework is learn the table of 13 and 14 and write it in your rough copy. Once again I am repeating the homework. Learn the table of 13 and 14 and write it in your rough copy. Thank you students. Now our third part, rounding off to the nearest 1000. So as we know, still our strong numbers are 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and weak numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now in rounding off to the nearest 1000, these strong numbers, how they work? These strong numbers will push up the digit of thousands place. Clear? It is 1000. We are rounding off to the nearest 1000, so it will push up the digit of 1000 place. Which strong numbers will push up the digit of 1000 place? And weak number, these weak numbers will not change the digit of the place of 1000. Same as hundreds or tens, these thousands will also do this 1000. So now children, example is 2136. As we know that we are doing rounding off to the nearest 100, so we will underline the digit of 1000 place. 1000 place is 2, and after 1000, next to the 1000 there is hundreds place, so we are doing 1000, so we will see the 100 place. 100 place is 1, and children, what is 1? 1 is weak number, so this weak number will not push up the 2, so 2 will remain same. We will write 2 as it is, and 136 will change to 0. So the rounding off to the nearest 1000 of 2136 is 2000. Now next, 4488. Again we will see the place of 1000, it is 4. Next to 1000 it is 100, that is also 4, and 4 is also a weak number, so it will also not change the value of 4. It will not push up 4, so 4 will remain 4 here, and 488 will change to 0. So what will be the answer? 4488 will round off nearest to the 1000, that will be 4000. Again next question, 6705. 1000 place is 6, 100 place is 7, and 7 is a weak number, strong number. 7 is a strong number, so 7 will push the value of 6 to 7, so 6 will become 7 here, and 705 will become 0 only. So 6705 will change to 7000 here. Now 3549, Again we will see 1000 place, it is 3. 5, it is 100 place, 5 is given. So 5 is a strong number, it will change, it will push up 3 into 4. So we will write here 4, and 549 again will become 0. Clear? 3549, 3549 will change to 4000. Now 1192. Again you see 1000 place is 1 and 100 place is also 1. So 1 is our weak number. So it will not push up the digit 1 to 2. It will remain same. So 1 we will write, and 192 will change to 0. So 1192 will change to 1000. Clear? Now your homework is, once again read part 1, part 2 and part 3 and go through it, and the question which I have solved, that you do in your rough copy. Once again, the question which in example form I have given in part 1 and part 2 and part 3, you do that same question in your rough copy. Thank you.